When I think back on the early days of my career, I remember cameras that were affordable but powerful and allowed me to grow and learn. Today, the Canon R10 seems to be being positioned as that type of camera. The question is it? The Canon R10 was recently released as one of Canon's first APS-C mirrorless cameras. You can see here it is tiny, so it lives up to the mirrorless hype. It's got 2 dials on the top and a joystick on the back, so controls are awesome, but battery life isn't great and the SD card slot's on the bottom. If you use an adapter, it's compatible with a ton of different lenses, and if you put the right lens on here, you can get some really nice images. You can see here it also is pretty solid with video autofocus, hooking right onto her eye and staying there. In the next clip you'll see you can get some nice bokeh and pretty good on-camera audio.
Hey, how you doing? You okay?
For photography, I was really impressed at how quickly it catches focus, especially on a moving subject like this. So who is this camera for? Hard to recommend it when the EOS R is so affordable now, and the RP is also full frame. If you already have crop censored lenses or RF glass that's wide, this would be great. If you're trying to extend the reach of your zooms, this would also be great. Look at the difference between a full frame and a crop sensor shot at 200mm. So back to our original question. Is this the camera beginners will use to kickstart their careers? If this was $800, I'd say hell yeah. But at its current price, I'd say know how to use your gear, pick the right glass.